Do you not like seeing yourself in there? Hey, do you see yourself? Okay. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. You gotta drop it. You ready? You ready? Good boy. I hate it when you play with a stick, but whatever. You gonna let go? You gonna let go? I think you just like me holding your stick. That did not sound right. I'm gonna throw your stick now. What's up with you, girlie? What's up with you, girlie? What's up with you? You gonna sniff the camera? Say hello. Say hello. You gonna say, oh, let go. Drop it. Drop it. Oh, drop it. Hey, you want a stick? Good girl. Haha, she's got it now. She got it now. That's my puppy dogs. Yeah. Oh, he gets quick too. He gets quick. Isn't she so pretty, y'all? Yeah, you know I'm talking about your baby girl. Ain't she so pretty? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're gonna see some action. What are we barking at? What are we barking at? What are we barking at? What are you barking at? That's Sugar. She just barks. There must be somebody 10 miles away. I don't see anybody. I don't. There's a vehicle coming. But it might not come all the way. Nope, it's turning. Even they're like, what the hell are we barking at? Hey, what was we barking at? Sugar? Sugar, what was we barking at? Everybody calls her a puppy. She's 10 years old. Where's my Sugar baby? Oh! I was a motorized bike. Not a motorcycle, not a bicycle, but a motorized bicycle. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you gonna stop me? Are you gonna stop me? You gonna stop me? She straight up just took that out of his mouth and walked away. his yard. They tear it the hell up. Everything that can go in their mouth goes in their mouth. Huh. 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 Oh, I let go? I'm sorry. Well, you just walk away with your ass in the air. It's cool.